to Cyber Tech X Ravin. I am Ravin, and in today's video I am going to show you how to install and set up VMware Workstation and create your very first virtual machine step by step for beginner friendly tutorial, right? Whether you are a student, ethical hacker, developer, or just curious about the virtualization, this guide is perfect for beginners. Okay, I will walk you through everything from downloading VMware Workstation to installing an operating system inside your virtual machine. Okay, so make sure to watch till the end. Okay. First open your favorite browser and just simply type download VMware Workstation, and here on first link, click on it and it will redirect to this vmware.com website. Okay, here cross it and click on this download fusion or a workstation. Okay, and you will be redirected to this login page. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Okay, if you are a new user to here, first you have to register. Then after register, you have to log in. For registration, click here and enter your email and this captcha code, and just simply click on next, and it will it will redirect you to verification page, and after verification you will be registered successfully. After registration, log in here. Simply type your username and click on next, and enter password, and you will be able to see the download option for downloading VMware Workstation. If you don't able to follow it, I have given a link in description box, so just go just by simply clicking it, you can directly download VMware Workstation. So go and see the description box. Okay, after downloading it, let me see. I'll just copy that. Let me say here. Okay. I have given this link in description box. Okay, simply click on download and download anyway, and here it start downloading. Okay, based on your internet connection, it will take some time. Okay, and after downloading, simply right click on it and run it as a administrator. Okay, based on your system performance, it will take some time. Okay, and let it open. Okay, okay, after open this kind of window, simply click on next, accept the agreement, click next. You it's your choice, you can check it or not. Okay, you should check this checkbox. Okay, click on next, 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 and here you start installing the VMware Workstation. Accept the agreement and click next. You can leave most of option by default. Okay, but I recommend enabling an keyboard driver to better input control inside VMware Workstation, right? And wait for its installation. Till it install, let's download Ubuntu ISO image file, so that we will create a new virtual machine inside our workstation. Okay, so open browser and simply type download Ubuntu LTS. Okay, and here ubuntu.com firstly, accept it, and here you can see Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS version, and below it Ubuntu 25.0. This is the latest version, but we will go with this LTS version. So long time support, it is stable version. So for our for better practice on cybersecurity tools and other practices, you should go with this 24 older version. Okay, so let's download this 24.0 LTS version. Simply click on download and it will start automatically download ISO image file. Okay, let me click on download. Okay, and okay, and here it will start being downloaded. Okay, it is almost about 5.9 GB in size, so it will depend on your internet connection. It will take time. Okay, so let's see it is done or not. Right, yeah, where it is going here. And this kind of a window you will be able to see. If you want to go with the license key, you could get some dummy license key. For getting dummy license key, you just come here browser and simply type GitHub VMware license key. Okay, and below it you can able to see VMware workstation 70 license keys, and if you scroll down you will be able to see most of active. Okay, let's copy this first one, copy this, and simply paste it and let it continue, and here it get simply. Okay, and finish it, and here you will be able to see this kind of window. Here you have successfully installed your VMware workstation. Okay, so let create a Ubuntu virtual machine inside our VMware workstation. Okay, for that I have already installed Ubuntu ISO image file 24.0.04.2 LTS version. Okay, so to create a new Ubuntu virtual machine, simply click on this create new virtual machine option, and if you not getting this window, you can simply click on this file, and here new virtual machine option is there. Click on it, and it will also open this window. Okay, I'll go with this recommended setting, first one option, and here you have to select the ISO image file path. I have selected already. Okay, then click on next, then name your Linux machine, so I am giving it as a CyberTechX. Okay, and here I will give it as a Ravin username. Password will be you can use password based on your own customization. I will give it Ravin Ubuntu. Okay, and I will store it in a D folder. Based on your own space requirement, you could go with this your own. Okay, I am saving it in Ravin. Okay, click on next, and 20 GB is enough for Ubuntu machine, and click on finish, and it should okay, I hope this will work. If you're getting any error, you should retry all the options again. Okay, so let it open. Okay, and after open it, it will direct to this sign up page. where you have to create a new user in your new user for your Ubuntu machine. Okay, I am skipping it. Okay, and let me open one terminal and try some commands. Okay, just simply open the terminal and the terminal open, and I hope you are able to see. Let me zoom it. Okay, and here you can see that Linux Ubuntu this specific version is there, and this is kernel JDUTC. Okay, and here we are in our Ubuntu machine. Okay, so in this way you can able to use this Ubuntu machine. So here we have and that's it. You have now successfully set up VMware workstation and install a full virtual operating system in your workstation virtual machine. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please do subscribe and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cyber Tech Experiment for more tech tutorials and cyber security content. Do follow and comment below which operating system you would like to see in the next setup video, or if you want to me to cover VirtualBox too, you could comment below. Okay, so okay guys, thank you.